Hi everyone, we are making a toucan out of clay today. This is earthenware clay. If you are in my class, you already have it with you. You also need a pencil and a cup of water. Come, let's start sculpting. So you have your piece of clay, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make a fist and you're going to beat it down to a pancake. You beat it down to beat out all the air bubbles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 punches, flip it over and punch it again. Pick it up, see how thick it is. It's like a pancake. Next, I'm going to take a pencil and I'm going to actually before you cut it off like this, first lightly draw a line. The reason why you lightly draw is a line is in case you make a mistake, all you have to do is erase the line. So lightly draw a line. And we're making a rectangle. See my rectangle? When you like your rectangle, you can press harder and cut it out. The next thing you're going to do is take your pencil and lightly scratch your name into the clay like this, and then pick it up and flip it over. The next thing you're going to do is take some clay and you're going to roll what we call a coil. So there is my coil. And you're going to take a cup with a little bit of water and rub the water onto the clay like this until it feels a little bit slippery. And you're going to stick this down like this. This is a branch. Last week we drew a toucan, and this week, as I have mentioned already, we are making a sculpture. Last week you made branches with leaves and flowers, and we're going to have our toucan sitting on a branch again. So there is a leaf. If you want, you can take your pencil and lightly sketch in the vein of the leaf. Okay, now it's time for the toucan. Take a piece of clay, roll a ball like this, and then flatten it. We're going to make an oval. A little bit of clay, rub it, a little bit of water, rub it in the clay until it feels slippery, and press down like this. You're going to take a smaller piece of clay and make a smaller ball like this. A little bit of water and stick that on like this. Take your pencil and just poke a hole like this for the eye. Next, you can take a little piece of clay like this, make it flat, and there is one wing. And at the bottom, remember the bottom we had a tail. So I'm just pushing it flat like this. And there's the tail. We need some claws for our bird. And what I'm doing is I'm taking a little worm, folding it like this, and another worm, not too big, and I'm folding it on this side. So it looks like he or she is sitting on the branch. And then the very important long beak for our toucan. Is that long enough? Get a little bit of water, rub it on the clay, and there's the top of the beak. And we're going to make the bottom as well. Roll a little worm, press it down with your finger, and there's the bottom of the toucan's beak. And voila, there we go. If you want, you can add some berries or some more leaves if you want. I'm going to add another leaf on the side. There we go.